Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So summer is here and I wanted to make the most of my balcony. Hence I decided to give it a makeover. But this is special because this is my first ever balcony makeover video. So let's get started. I started off by removing the junk and cleaning the floor. If you have a concrete floor like mine, you can also use a vacuum cleaner, but I don't know why I didn't use one. And while cleaning, I noticed this weird stain. It was probably from one of the pots I had painted. To remove it, I used a mixture of water, dishwashing liquid, and vinegar and scrubbed it off from the floor. It was not budging easily and took me some time and effort, but in the end, I could at least lighten the mark. Then I slowly started removing the string lights which I had put last year. You have to be very careful with this one because the glass is so fragile and can break easily. Now that everything is removed, I got a blank canvas and I started off by putting this outdoor rug which I got from Amazon. I love the pattern on this one and I'll leave the link to this in the description box if you want to buy the same. It comes in different sizes and colors, but I went for a cream and black because I'm going for a bohemian style balcony decor. For the seating, I didn't go for a proper outdoor furniture. I wanted something super comfortable yet in the theme and something which is foldable. So I got these chairs from Walmart. They are super soft and comfortable and versatile, so I can use it indoors as well. And this table is actually a plant stand which I already had. You guys must be wondering what this is. So this is actually a bed sheet or a cover which is made from crochet. This was given to me by one of my sweetest neighbors who wanted me to use it in my crafts. Now please don't come at me in the comments because I'm cutting a perfectly fine cover to use as something else. But to be honest, it is not practical to use this on the bed. In one of the older videos by Tina Lee, who is also my favorite YouTuber, I had seen her making a privacy screen using macrame. I had loved the idea of a macrame privacy screen. It was giving all boho vibes and I wanted something similar, but I find macrame to be very difficult and time consuming. So I went for this pre-made crochet as my privacy cover. I cut the cover into two parts and that turned out to be perfect for my balcony length. I attached it to the railing using zip ties. For a rental friendly makeover, I highly recommend using zip ties, push pins, mounting tape, painter's tape, etc. because you are able to remove them so easily without causing any damage to the property. I have made a couple of DIYs for the balcony and I will post a detailed tutorial of those DIYs in the next video. The first one is a heart succulent holder and another one is a huge floral wreath. Let me know in the comments if you would try something similar. It's time to add some greenery now. I had these two plant stands from long ago, so I decided to add two similar plants on them. And since we are going for a boho theme, I had this dried pampas grass which I added in one of the corners and little elements to give it a boho touch. Since the table was looking a little different, I had this beautiful crochet table cover in a similar pattern which I placed on the table to make it look like it's in the theme. For the other corner of the balcony, I added this beautiful round rug from Five Below and added a plant and a few more elements to complete it. And these little candlelight jars are again DIYs which I had made a couple of years ago. These were the easiest upcycle I had made using a crochet lace and jute rope. Now the last step is to add these lights. Instead of spiraling it onto the railing like last time, I just hooked it on to the zip ties. And before the big reveal, let's take a look at how the balcony looked earlier. And this is the after. I loved how everything just came together. It's boho yet eclectic and both the styles are complementing each other. It's my first yet favorite makeover. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.